Hey guys, so today I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby to get more beads because I'm running low on beads and I like arts and crafts. My daddy is driving today. After we get my beads, we're gonna go to Carl's Jr. to eat. Yeah, we're using coupons because we're smart and Asian. Wait, who are you waving at?
Mga neighbors ni Daddy.
I don't see anybody.
And she's over there. She's tiny.
Oh.
Hindi mo nakita.
Dalawa na yung binusinahan ko, dalawa na yung
Ooh, Mommy!
Hindi ako nakaset.
Hindi mo nakita.
Dapat mo yan i-remind mo.
Did you not feel the warmth of the seatbelt caressing your skin?
No.
Buti na lang, smart yung mga sasakyan ngayon.
It's a nice house. So cute.
It's so bumpy.
So,
I'm low-key kind of hungry right now.
we need to be quick at Hobby Lobby, right?
Yeah, but I love all the beads. So that's our church, Divine Savior. We go almost every Sunday.
Yeah, there's a garage.
That's our gas station. Here's Walmart where we get some of our supplies. Oh, it's not even 4th of July yet. There's already fireworks over there.
Ano tinitinda dyan sa truck na yan?
Zendi's. What's that? Family Fusion.
Family Fusion.
Yeah, it's a truck.
Ooh, Philippines.
What's that?
Yes, it has the Philippines flag.
Kuya, bandera, flag ng Philippines yun, no?
Yeah, we have to try that.
You didn't
We
notice?
have to support our kababayan there.
So do you guys still want to go to Carl's Jr. or?
Check out muna natin yung pagbalik natin. Total, on the way naman yun.
There is Ross. We go shopping over there sometimes.
Well, only sometimes.
Yeah, and Goodwill.
Sabihin mo, doon tayo pumupunta, TJ Maxx, Ross, hindi tayo nagpupunta ng mall kasi expensive sa mall.
Yeah, we don't go to the mall. We just go to Ross and TJ Maxx now.
Why?
And garage sale.
And garage sales. It's too expensive in this economy.
And why do we have to save?
Save money.
Bakit?
This big truck. Anyway, here's Winco. We shop here for our groceries.
Okay, dapat ilagay sa ano kasi card. Alam mo yun, card? Yung plano natin na yung ganito kalaki kaya, yung sa...
Where are we gonna put the fake flowers?
Hindi, but I'm gonna put like real flowers.
Yeah, but where do we put the fake ones?
No, I don't think it goes with the flowers. It's just this one.
I'm not sure it does.
I think
It's
that.
on the flowers.
Oh, for store use only. Because they're selling thing.
Yan ang libangan niya. Mahilig siyang gumawa ng mga kung ano, bracelet, necklace, mga beads. Ayan, no, siya gumawa niyan.
I made all of these. I bought these.
Ay, kaysa kung saan-saan gastusin ang pera, yun, meron daw siyang 40 bucks, kaya ayan.
Ito, you have to get some idea. Ito pa hindi yung magaganda to. Kaya mga ganyan yan. But I have things and you make those for me. Sure.
Para kay Santa Marta. Pagka lumalabas kami, wala na akong binibili para sa sarili ko. Ang iniisip ko yung sa Pilipinas palagi. Bakit kaya ganun? Palaging iniisip yung nasa Pilipinas.
Okay, so this is what I picked out. It's pretty pricey. It's $20. But like, you know, I only have $40, so I'm just gonna get this. Okay, so we just came back from Michael's. We got our stuff right here. My daddy got his shirts for the Philippines. I got my beads right here. So we're gonna check out the Filipino Family Fusion truck that we saw on the way to the store, and we're gonna decide whether we want to go to Carl's or to the Filipino food truck.
So you want burger to anak?
Yeah, I want burgers.
Okay, so ito na.
Feeling American.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, yung cupcakes na yan. Pero I think they're more on cupcakes. Wala namang tao.
There was a few people.
Meron ba? Buhay pa rin itong noodles company, anak.
I don't really like it. I've actually never been there. I don't know why I said that.
No, we've been there like twice, maybe.
I don't remember it.
Yeah, maybe just me and daddy. I don't know.
Talagang walang signal light ang mga Audi.
Yeah, baka naman hindi kasama sa binabayaran nila.
Pangalawang Audi na to na hindi nag-signal.
Bro.
Hindi mo pinidahan ng pinadahan. Matuto sila.
Huwag kayong bibili ng Audi, walang signal light.
Saan ka pupunta?
O ayan, talagang walang signal light. Hindi maganda
pa siya
ang
nag-stop.
quality ng Audi. Huwag kayong bibili ng Audi. Yan ang nanalo sa botohan kasi may coupon. Mas mura, $20 lang. May lunch na kami. Dun sa truck, mga $60. Mahal. Kaya dito kami sa 20. Be smart, be wise. Lahat kasi may tariff na kaya kailangan be wise. Akala naman ni Trump magugulangan niya kami. Nope, doon kami sa may coupon. Okay, kakain muna kami at magkita-kita tayo maya-maya. Hindi na kami makaubos ng hamburger ngayon. Hindi tulad dati. Tapos, yan sa coupon may isang soda na free. So, isang soda lang kinuha namin para sa aming tatlo. Bakit kami bibili ng tigi-isa? Mga Amerikano ganyan ginagawa, tigi-isa sila. Ang mga Pilipino, isang soda lang para sa isang buong pamilya. Kahit 10 miyembro pa yan, isang soda lang yan. Meron namang refill doon, free refill, kuha ka lang ng kuha, isang bayad lang.
Tapos may libre pang
Yung tissue, as usual, ayan. Hindi iiwanan ng mga Pilipino yan. Iuwi yan, dadagdagan pa yan bago lumabas.
Saka mga extra sauce.
At yung mga ketchup na yan, tsaka mga ranch na sausawan, sa mga Amerikano, kahit mga Canadian, mga puti, iiwanan na yan. Itatapon na yan.
Even Canadians?
Yeah. Mga puti.
Oh.
Mga Canadian na puti, iiwanan yan. Walang mag-uwi niyan. Nakita ko doon.
I thought magpapaan tayo ng ganito. Kailan?
Kaya Lahat yan, iuwi. Dadagdagan pa yan bago lumabas ng pinto. Ewan ko kung napanood nyo yung
Piercing or tattoo shop first.
kay Jokoy na malapit siya mag-birthday na pinapakuha siya ng nanay niya ng maraming tissue at ketchup
Most tattoo
sa McDonald's kasi marapit na siya mag-celebrate ng birthday niya nung maliit pa siya. May kasama siyang ano doon, may skit siya doon. Ito nyo naman ang Junaris ko. Sabi nung neighbor namin, Sunny, meron ba kayong bisitang Japanese na babae? May nakita akong Japanese na babae sa may front ng bahay nyo nung isang beses. Sabi ko, describe mo nga ang itsura. Meron kaming Japanese flag, pero Japanese na bisita, wala. Dinescribe niya si Jason, yung neighbor namin. Puti yun, 7-footer. Pagkausap ko, nakatingala ako. Kaya, bakit ka tumatawa? 7-footer si Jason.
I thought he was only 6 feet tall.
Mia, 5'9 na ako, 5'10. 2 inches na lang, 6 na. Pagkausap ko siya, nakatingala ako. Minsan tumutuntong pa ako doon sa para magpantay kami. 7 feet 1 inch siya. Siya ang nagtatanong. Actually hindi siya yung asawa niya, si Chrissy. Nakita daw niyang may Haponesa sa harap ng bahay. Nung i-describe nila, natawa ako, ikaw pala ang sinasabi nila. So, hindi lang si Rap, yung Pilipino na nagtanong kung Japanese ka. Pati neighbor natin nagtataka na. Ibig sabihin, bihira kang lumabas ng bahay kaya hindi ka nila nakikita. Yun ang point nun. Hindi ka nag-e-exercise. See? Okay, magkita-kita po ulit tayo maya-maya. At uuwi na po kami. Titignan ko po kung may makikita kami garage sale. Sana wala. Para uuwi na kami.
What time is it now?
Today, you can drop a really big deal. There you go. The very big one. Now we can carry up to 8 tons. For example, a medical surgical unit where there will be operating theaters in a single room, in a single pass, and we can come and put that on the ground. It's an action process that is very delicate nonetheless. By airdropping small loads, even large loads, it must be very tricky to parachute.
Hello everyone, so we're back home. We're currently peeling this garlic that we've just recently harvested from our backyard. We do this in our free time because, we love giving peeled garlic to our titas, cousins, because we're very generous, So anyways, if you like our content, please subscribe. It's totally optional though. You're just supporting us by viewing. And thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.